Internet addiction. Internet addiction, it sounds like it's a real thing, but it is a really big problem about us. Internet is like a fire. It is a part of our culture, but it may rule our life easily. Okay. How to make good use of the internet and not being used by the internet. It is a big problem of our human being now. Okay. Elon Gordon, professor, he had first started use the word internet addiction in 1974, and then he also said, internet, like computer and internet, is just like a fire. It is our best servant and worst master. Okay. So far, internet addiction hasn't been a formal disease yet, but it is a big problem in our life. For example, Kevin, he woke up at 3 p.m. every day, and then after he woke up, he played online games. Okay, after he woke up, he played online games. His breakfast and lunch and dinner were all instant noodles. He even took a bath once a week. So, right? The worst of all, he didn't have the will to find a job in 3 years. Okay. Take another example. Tim. He is a kind person, but he always posts his Facebook article every 15 minutes. Even he is working, he still posts updates his picture and his emotion language. After his manager noticed, he got fired. Easily. Okay. We can imagine how many people are addicted to the internet. According to the data, there are almost 6% to 80% people in the world are addicted to the internet. And then, it sounds ridiculous. Why so many people are addicted to the internet? Okay, let me ask a question. Who has the smartphone right now? Please raise out your hand. Okay, look around you. And another question. How often do you use your smartphone? Wow.
Every day.
Every day, right? Almost every day, every minute. And then the population of the smartphone user is increasing very fast. Authorities assume that there will be more than 60% of Taiwanese in next week will become the smartphone user. Smartphone, it is a really fresh thing in our life, right? It created some very new things. Some people who even doesn't play games, or some people doesn't watch news, they change their habits because of the smartphone. Okay, but smartphones make human think time flies. If this new technology product help us to save the time, but otherwise, it makes people want some new change and something new or latest. If we still use the wrong attitude to the smartphone, we are just kidnapped by the smartphone. Okay, let's talk about how to help the internet addictors. First, do not force them not to play online games right now. The point is not limited him the hours not to play. The point is, you need to let them think about what they can do when they are not playing online games. There are several tips in the therapy. First, schedule. Make the schedule first. It makes sure that he will not ignore other activities due to the internet. Okay. Second, limit the time. And third, make an outside reminder. It means make a clock or let someone to remind you when you are playing online game almost due to the time. Okay. Let's talk about how to deal with the smartphone. There are also APP in smartphone. First, attention. Parents should care about what APP their children use in their life. Children should not download something really violent or sexy or strange things when they are teenagers. Yeah. Second, protection. Children should protect themselves because they should not give others who they don't know some personality information or let some stranger become their good friend on the internet. Okay. Third, pre-selection. The government should make good classified of the internet APP. Okay. Back to context.